Our organization, namely the Kakas Education Center, which is located at Manipur, had submitted a suggestive proposal to the Government of India through the Honorable Prime Minister of India. And regarding this proposal, we have discussed personally with Dr. Muniraju, who is Deputy Advisor of Niti Aayog, Government of India. So I, on behalf of the organization, would like to highlight about the suggestive proposal which was submitted to the Government of India for the welfare of the country, for the economic welfare of the nation. Number A, about COVID-19. Regarding the COVID-19, please start campaigns, awareness physically from person to person, house to house, remote areas, villages, public places and markets, etc. through press, media, leaflets, posters, loudspeakers about the seriousness of COVID-19 with the involvement of various NGOs and CSOs, etc. Second one, please take a step for mass community testing of COVID-19 if possible. Third one, we can conduct the process of sanitization to houses, markets, public places and the different village areas with the help of the volunteers. Fourth one, please take a step for mass community vaccination program of COVID-19 if possible. Regarding the health and sanitation sector, after the pandemic of COVID-19, everyone acknowledged about the requirements, deficiencies and precautionary measures in the sector of health, sanitation and hygiene, etc. It requires to construct proper Paka latrines in every houses, good purified and clean drinking water, good electricity, good drainage system of every houses and small adjacent roads, water ponds, reservoirs, cleanliness of rivers and its maintenance, etc. In this health and sanitation program, we can mobilize the CSR funds, foreign fund and other crowdfunding sources through government, NGOs, private funding, etc. We would like to start campaigns, awareness of health and sanitation programs, systems, policies, models through NGOs, CSOs in different models, especially related to COVID-19 and for the long term in future. Regarding the livelihoods, economy and industry, we sincerely know the problems of livelihoods, economy and the seriousness of establishment of different types of industries in the country as a resource of individual incomes and the development of national economy. In this process, we need to start the campaign awareness in the rural areas, remote areas and semi-urban communities with the governmental guidelines. Now we acknowledge about schemes of MSME, startup, mudra loans and many more in the governmental sectors. All these schemes are needed for highlighting through social media, leaflets, posters, etc. by translating to their local languages for a wide publicity in the country. Third one, now we have to establish different small, medium and micro industries, enterprises in the individual and group level through local resources or using their skill level for generating incomes. In this regard, we are facing different problems, difficulties in the governmental sector for permission like lengthy process, different documents, sparing of long time in the process, contacting from table to table, person to person, seeking permission for meeting the officers, etc. We would like to solve all these problems and uncertainties in the governmental sector. Please try to avoid all these difficulties by regulating new methods, norms, laws and process like processing within a very short and specific period. List documents, contacting a single officer if possible for all permissions, acceptance, etc. Fourth one, please give them permission for establishing the industries before taking all permissions from the government in advance and instruct them to take permission after establishment within a period of 3 months. Fifth one, regarding the land utilization, it is required to grant permission for unused lands, wetlands, karstlands, and some parts of agricultural lands in some specific condition to set up industries with easy processing without any involvement of corruption. Regarding the health sector, nowadays we need to establish more hospitals, clinics, institutes, paramedical courses, institutes in different small states in India, because most of the students or patients are going to different states for study and treatment. Going to outside is a difficult task now, so the systems of permission has to be changed for speedy of permissions in all sectors. We must conduct more awareness campaign for different diseases like cancer, diabetes, heart problem, arthritis, TB, etc. in different models for a healthy living of all humankind in the country. Regarding the education sector, we need to establish more educational institutes, including technical professional courses in small states to study the students themselves in their region, in their states. In this regard, the procedures of permission are required to maintain in an easy method for smooth functioning of the institutes. Different states have different rules and regulations. Sometimes it is very difficult to process or follow the rules and regulations. In this case, please discuss for a simple proceedings of all kinds of permissions. Regarding the agricultural sector, now agricultural sector is a very important sector in the Indian economy. We need to produce more products in the agricultural sector, so all kinds of agricultural related activities have to be developed from the government with big scopes, plans in terms of irrigation, water supply, marketing, cold storages and techniques of producing of different products in different areas. Regarding the tourism and the hospitality, tourism and the hospitality are also main sectors now in the country to create a mass employment both in government and private sectors. Especially in Manipur, we have different scopes of hospitality and tourism. In Manipur, our Loktak Lake is a very beautiful lake. It has to be developed very soon for creation of employment and income generating. In Manipur and other neighboring states of northern states, we can develop the hilly areas for tourism and hospitality by constructing good roads and other communicable facilities for creation of income and employability. We must construct tourist spots in hilly areas, rivers, lakes, etc. Regarding the Indian economy and the village economy, we have to discuss a lot in different economical sectors that general public, especially who are under below poverty line groups, are suffering a lot due to bad economy in the country. Sometimes they have the tendencies of suicides due to financial problems. We have different measures to be discussed to make financial progress of citizens in the ground level. This is our humble submission, and Honorable Prime Minister and respected Dr. Muniraju, who is Deputy Advisor of Niti Aayog Government of India, are requested to take up all types of feasible activities regarding these issues. This is our humble submission to the Indian government. Thank you, my dear friends, my dear brothers and sisters. Thank you once again.